If you've run an online challenge or some type of online event, the marketing leading up to that event can be kind of complicated to track all the numbers. I ended up creating a spreadsheet that I want to show to you now. You can grab this template yourself by hitting the link below, and I'm going to walk through now how to use the spreadsheet. In this one template, you could see all of your ad spend each day. You could see all the conversion numbers as far as traffic, opt-ins, cost per lead, even your percentage of who's converting. We're also able to see all of our revenue in one place. So I'm going to walk you through this template and show you exactly how you can use it for your upcoming event. So when you first open the Google Sheet, click on File and click Make a Copy. This will allow you to edit all the fields and make it your own. Next, what you'll do is you'll set the start date of when you want to start marketing. So let's say we're going to start on the 4th of November. If I click that, it's automatically going to build out all of the days leading up to the event. So let's say your event is on the 18th. You can just highlight this as like workshop here. Just make notes. This is your own spreadsheet to make it your own. You can add notes here, label things. Really just take some time to make this your own. So now we've got this, we're going to start marketing on the 4th, and we have the workshop happening on the 18th. And we may end up running additional ads, or maybe have a cart open that's going to last for a few days. So you can just say something like cart open here. This will give you a nice visual of everything that's going on day by day for your event. If you're doing a challenge, you could label this day 1, day 2, day 3, and then cart open, something like that. So next you can come in and customize each of the ad accounts. If you're spending on Facebook and Instagram, you can have a meta spend row. We were also running ads on X, or if you're doing Google ads, you can just simply click here and hit add one row below and add Google ads. And then for each day, what we did is we went in and manually added numbers every single morning. So someone on our team would go in, log into our ad accounts, write up the number of what was spent the day before. We'd go into our funnel account. We were using ClickFunnels for this. And then we'd enter in every single number. The reason we do this is because it helps give adequate attention to every part of the funnel. It's easy to not sign into the ad account or just see a report somewhere, but this allows us to go in and actually check on each one of these pieces of the funnel. And it only takes honestly about 10 to 15 minutes. So here we've got the traffic numbers. This is the amount of visitors that came to your page on that day. Then we can put in the total email opt-ins. And then this number is going to automatically get calculated for you. I like to put numbers that are automatically calculated in italics and in gray, so you know they're not to be changed. So we can see that the conversion rate now is about 5%. So if 100 people come to the site, we know that about 4 or 5 people are going to opt in. Let's say we were selling tickets or some sort of sale, we can put that in there and then calculate the conversions there and even add an upsell. In the revenue, we have the workshop total. So let's say we sold 3 $95 tickets here, and as well, like make this your own. So if you just want to hit equals, 3 times 95, enter. Just a fast way to quickly just total these up. And again, just checking every single sale that came through. Same with the upsells, just enter the total sales. This section is for expenses. So if you want to hire a video editor, or maybe someone's running your ads for you, you can put these costs in so that it'll help track all those expenses that are associated specifically with this event. We do things like an editor, maybe we had someone helping us with tech on the day of the event, or if we give away a $200 Amazon gift card, that would go in here. We can see those things happen on a daily basis. Okay, on the far right, you're gonna see totals for all of this. So you can see in total, we've spent this much on meta ads, X ads, and so forth. And you can see some of these conversion averages that are happening across every single day. This box down here is a scalability calculator. So it grabs all the numbers here from what's actually going on, and then it allows you to insert some different numbers here. So right now we had 500 visitors, 24 people opted in, which means our average ratio is about 5%. So this is a very simple calculation, but it just says if we wanted to get, let's say 1,000 opt-ins, you could hit enter, and this will tell you how much that is going to cost, because we know our cost per lead. And we also know, as an interesting fact, that if we had 1,000 people opting in based on these ratios, this is how much we can expect to earn. And what it's doing is it's grabbing 42, which is just a percentage of the opt-ins, because we know that out of 24 people that come in, 1 is going to purchase an upsell or some sort of item. And then we know the average cart value is this. So if our average cart value is $95, you can see that we would spend $16 $1,667, but we would make almost $4,000. So again, it's just helpful to have some general ideas of these numbers, just so you know kind of what you're dealing with. So if for some reason we were able to increase our conversion ratio to 10%, if we had 1,000 people, it would only cost us, $8,000 to get that, and we make 4. So it kind of lets you know what those numbers are, and you can kind of dial these things in. This little table doesn't affect anything else on the spreadsheet, but it's a nice scratch pad where you can just play with the numbers and get a good feel of what these different percentages are going to mean to projected costs, and then also projected sales. So check it out, play with those numbers, and I hope that this spreadsheet will help you. It definitely helped us just feel like we were in control of every part of the funnel each and every day. If you got any questions, you can drop them in the comments below, but I hope this template is going to help you with your next online event.